Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the cabin air filter in your second generation Tundra using only your face or your hand. First, you have to remove this shelf. It pops out pretty easily. Lift up on the right hand side and the left hand side will pop out. Get it out of the way. Perfect. Oh, I got my redneck horn in here.
Get the hell out of my way!
I'll move that also. Next, there's a little flap that covers the filter. You push up to release it, like this. Once it's loose, you can pull it also out of the way. Next, you'll see a little flap that actually covers the filter itself, and it has a little push-in tab on each end. Push in one, push in the other, and pull it out of the way. Voila. Couldn't see what I was doing there. Okay, next. Now this is different on some cars. Oh, what's this? Looks like the last person that installed this left me her number. Okay, anyway. Some filters say up and they have an arrow. Some filters say airflow and they have an arrow pointing down. The airflow actually goes down. We'll take a look which one our new filter is. This pulls out easily, and you can see it's relatively dirty. Toss that aside. This is our new filter, and it has activated carbon. It is much heavier. There's a lot of carbon in there, which actually absorbs all the odors. And for a Tundra of second generation, there's the part number, CF10285. And these are available on, pretty sure I bought this on Amazon. I'll leave a link below. Pull it out. The directions, we'll read those carefully. As you can see here, the arrow points down. It says airflow. That's going to be down. Slide it into the little slot there. Next comes this piece, and there is an arrow that says up. Line those two little tabs up, push it in, boom, done. Next comes this piece. It also has an up arrow. You're going to start from the top, get it lined up, push it down. It locks into place. Last move, putting in your shelf. Rotate it in, set that side in, set that side in. Voila, done. Less than 5 minutes, I would assume. Okay, any questions, please leave comments below. Thanks, bye-bye.